All right, I want to show you how easy this ramp is to use and transport. I have a Yukon XL, which is really high up for my shorter dog, and she's getting a little bit older, so it's hard on her joints. So we came across this pet ramp, but I want to show you how it looks like when it's all folded up. It's very compact, so I actually will keep it in my trunk when we're traveling and just slide it over to the side. You just grab this and it's easy to kind of carry around. Let me set it up for you quick and I'll show you what it looks like on my trunk. All right, this is what it looks like all set up. It has 4 different steps. You can actually fold this one under if you don't need it as tall as mine, but it works so well. It's not that steep. It looks kind of steep on camera, but it's pretty easy for my dogs to walk on, and it's pretty sturdy too. They both weigh over 80 pounds and it works wonderfully for them. I love the material that it has. It's like honestly like a spongy feel, so it grips to them really well, so I know they're not going to slide off and fall. And then it also has a little safety clip to use too, which I just anchor in here when they're using it for peace of mind. But it literally just folds out so easy. It's really sturdy. It did take my dog a couple times to use it to get used to it, just because she's a little more timid. What I ended up doing was just grabbing a treat and like having her follow along up here, but now she's comfortable with it and it works great. And then when I'm done with it, I just fold it back together, store it in my trunk if we're traveling, otherwise I keep it in my garage. But it works very well, especially as your dog's age, or if you have somewhere high up that they need to go. You could definitely use it indoors, or honestly for anything that's tall that you need to. But the brand sent it to us and we love it for traveling. It's been a game changer for both of our dogs.